Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm just here with a project update. This is one of the properties we bought on the West Bank of Jefferson Parish in Marrero. I did a video when we got the keys. We bought it as is just before Christmas Eve. We closed in 8 days for the seller, but let them stay for 30 days. And I'll put a link to the video, but when we picked it up, it was really messy and had a fair few things to fix. But we've done that now. Got the for rent sign up, which is good. And the house is pretty much ready for another tenant. We are finishing a couple little things, but it's pretty much ready for a tenant and it's looking pretty good. So yeah, we gave it a really good clean up, and they got some appliances in. We painted the house. You know, needed a fresh coat of paint. There was a fair bit of damage on the floors, and we fixed that up. Some of them are still a little scuffed, but we fixed all the broken planks and stuff. Cleaned out the bathroom. So we used to place the toilet seat, clean that out. So yeah, look, it's looking much better. It's all cleaned up, all the stuff is out. We donated a bunch to charity and we threw the rest out. And now it's going to be great rental, 4-bedroom property in Marrero. We're going to find some nice tenants for this house. So it's a real win-win. The seller, she really wanted to sell fast. That was her real prerogative. She was actually behind on payments on her mortgage and, was in danger of losing the house. So, look, we closed within 8 days, paid her, bought an as-is condition, all cash. Because it was Christmas Eve, we let her stay in the property for 30 days. So, we got the keys about maybe a bit over a month ago. And since then, we've cleaned it out, fixed up the property, got it ready. And now we're just listing it for rent. The fence was damaged. We took the fence down and we haven't put that up yet, but we will do that next week. But we're going to start to show it and get a new family in to enjoy this property. So, we're really happy. The seller's really happy, and the family that moves in here, we know is going to be really happy too. So, look, if you have a house that you want to sell, maybe you just want to sell fast, all cash, not have to prepare it, stage it, hold open houses, pay realtor fees, just want to sell it fast and move on, give us a call, visit our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We're always happy to help. So reach out to us, and we'd love to chat about your situation. Thanks, guys.